What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be share with you how to make money with Clickbank without a website. Okay, literally you can easily make over $100 every single day by doing this method. Okay, it's really cheap, it's really free of you do not have to invest anything. Okay, and you can really scale up this method to any point whatever you want. Okay, so without being delayed, let's jump into the video. But before that, I have 100% free training. If you want to make $100 every single day, then check out the link in the description. I am providing 100% free training, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. And if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now what I'm going to be share with you how we are going to make $100 every single day on Clickbank without a website. Okay, what we are going to do, first of all, how are we going to choose a Clickbank product? Basically, the process is really just simple. You just need to take a look at two things. Okay, the first thing is on the Clickbank, the products are sorted by the popularity, but what you need to do, you need to sort them by the gravity. Okay, which are the best products as per the gravity. I don't know why it's really sucks, leave that. What you need to do, you need to select the products on the basis of the gravity and the initial dollar per sale. Okay, what we are gonna to do, this is gravity. What I will recommend you, as you are starting out, go within between the 20 gravity and 100 gravity. Okay, the products which are over 100 gravity are really very much competitive, so you will not be able to stay in that much competitive environment. Okay, and the products below the 20 gravity, you will not be able to promote that because those are really of cheap quality products. That's why you should stay within 20 and 100 gravity. Okay, and another thing, the second thing, what you need to do, as you are beginning, so you are beginner, so you do not need to start with the high ticket product. Okay, what we are gonna to do, we are gonna to sell a product that's initial dollar per sale is between, okay, that means the product should be between $20 to $50. Okay, so even if they are going to pay 50%, we will be making about $10 to $25. Okay, $10 to $25. You need to select a product whose initial dollar per sale is between $20 to $50. Okay, you will easily be able to find lots and lots of products with this. And the third thing, okay, the third thing is really very much important. The third thing, the product should be having the recurring commission. Okay, this is the sign of the recurring commission. Recurring means the products which are having the recurring commission means there is a kind of membership site the company is selling, so they have to pay the $50 every single month. So if you have sold 10 products, you will be getting $250. Let's say you have sold the 10 trainings of $50 each, so if you are getting 50% commission, so you have made $250, and you will be keep on making $250 as a complete passive income. So that is why you should select a recurring based product. Okay, and the fourth and the last thing what I will suggest you is you should also have a product that should have the upsells. Okay, means you will find a arrow like this. Okay, this arrow means the products are having the upsells, means if they are you are gonna to sell a $10 product, and if somebody buys that, then the company is gonna to pitch them a high ticket product like $50, so you are also gonna get commission on that. And further, whosoever will buy the $50 product, he will also be pitched the $100 product, so you will also get the commission on that. And it will keep on going on up to $500, $1,000, $2,000. It depends upon the company what the product they are selling. But now comes the part over here, how are we going to drive the traffic to our product? Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, look at this. Okay, let's just see what we are going to do. We are going to use the Instagram. Look at this. There are tons and tons of likes, 4,000 likes. Okay, 2,000 likes, and look at this. So what we are gonna to do, we are gonna to leverage the power of the Instagram. Okay, look at this. What we are gonna to do, look at this millionaire mentor. Okay, look at this. This guy is sending traffic to an opt-in page. What this guy is doing actually, okay, what this guy is doing. Actually, this guy is not just selling directly, this guy is sending them to a website like this, where they are going to collect the emails of others. Okay, and they are providing them something for free in return for their email. This is what they are doing. But what we can do, we also should do this stuff to collect emails for lifetime value. But if you do not have any money, what you can do, just to start linking the products. Okay, after you will make some of the commissions, you can then easily get some kind of a website creator like GetResponse and Builderall. Okay, thereafter you can place a link over here. Okay, you can place a link over here. What you need to do, you can provide a link over here, like want to make $100 every single day. Okay, check out this link. So you can place your affiliate link over here for any of the product you want to promote on the Clickbank. But the question really comes now. We have selected a product, we have put the link over here in our bio. Now how are we going to drive that traffic, especially when you are having the 0 followers? Okay, so what we are going to do over here is literally we are going to use the power likes. Okay, what is the power likes? Basically, there are two ways we can get the power likes. Okay, one is the way of purchasing the likes, and if you can purchase 1,000 likes, 2,000 likes, 4,000 likes, the Instagram will see that your post is kind of viral post, and it is going to place it or send it on the explore page. And when it will be sent it to the explore page, you will start driving tons and tons of likes, comments, shares, and all that stuff, and ultimately lots and lots of followers. So the more and more the followers will be coming, the more and more the clicks will be to your website will be increasing very fast. Okay, so this is the ultimate way. But how are we going to get the traffic? Okay, there are basically the free Instagram engagement groups as well. Okay, but you can also buy the likes over here. You can buy the likes over here. But what you can do, if you do not have any money, buying likes can really grow your account very fast, and you can easily scale up like a 10,000 followers in just 1 week, 2 week. Okay, so you can also buy the likes from here. But what we can do, here are the free Instagram engagement groups. Basically, what you need to do, you need to join some of the groups, like these are the Telegram groups, likes and comments. Okay, likes and comments over here. Again, here these are the groups only for likes. So what you need to do, you need to join all of these 5 groups, and thereafter they will tell you comment on the latest 5 posts, like and comment on the latest 5 posts, and then place your link. When you will place the link, you will get, for just 5 to 10 minutes, you will get lots and lots of likes and comments. It depends upon the engagement of the group. Okay, so this is sometimes really the when the your post will go to the explore page, you can really start getting lots and lots of followers. And if it will get good experience on the explore page, then Instagram will keep it on more and for over there for more and more time. Okay, so look at this. You just do not need to join only 5 groups. Just join about these groups as well. 50 free Instagram engagement group on the Telegram app. Okay, also join all of these groups. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to do something like join these groups and also engage in these groups, and also you will start getting lots and lots of likes, and you will be easily able to get about 5 to 10,000 followers within just 1 month. Auto liker extension, if you are wondering on whether I can get 1,000 likes from the engagement posts, you can easily get a lot of likes, but you will it's not like you will start getting 1,000 followers a day. What you can do, there are 2 or 3 things that I will recommend you. Okay, first of all, to grow your Instagram account, the first thing you need to do is you can do the follow and unfollow. Yeah, it really works. Okay guys, to get 100 followers every single day, it really works very well. Okay, you need to follow and unfollow the others. Okay, there are kind of the follow and unfollow bots for the iPhone and for the Apple it's a kind of Captivate. You can automate it, automate everything with that, like auto follow and auto unfollow. Okay, so what you can do about 800 of auto follow and 800 followers, 800 follow and then 400 unfollow, and with that ratio you will be easily get about 100 nearly 100 followers every single day, very easily, very easily. Okay, just do this, and you do not need to do anything. You just need to automate this completely. That's it, guys. That's it. The second thing, what do you need to do? You need to post the viral content. What do you mean by the viral content? Okay, the second thing is, what do you need to do? Post the viral content. Okay, post viral content. What is the meaning of the viral content over here? Whatever your niche is, just search it on the kind of Instagram. Okay, look at this. This is the kind of viral stuff, for the not kind of viral stuff, but it is really doing good. You can do what you can do. You can download kind of Chrome extension. It's kind of downloaded for Instagram. Okay, and thereafter you can download this and you can easily repost this. But do not forget to give credit to the poster, otherwise your post will be flagged, or something like that. Okay, so look at this. These posts okay, there will be some of the posts in your niche that are really doing well. Okay, 30 years from now, look at this. This is also kind of entrepreneur and kind of motivation, kind of inspiring. So look at this, 3,000 likes. This is the viral post. What do you need to do? You need to download this and repost it again. Okay, when you are going to repost it, look at this. People really like these kinds of posts, so they are also going to like your post. Okay, so these are the kind of viral content. When you will post these kind of content, your Instagram account will really grow very fast. Okay, and another thing what you can do, the third thing, it can be like to post between 2 to 4 times, at least 3 times. Okay, so the more and more you will post, the more and more the engagement you can get from here by engaging in these groups as well. Okay, so the more and more the followers you will get. Okay, so this is also one of the important thing. And the fourth thing you can do, you can engage in the community. Okay, engage in the community. There are 2 methods to engage in the community, follow other, what you can do, just like and comments on other posts. Look at this. What you can do, look at this, for example, just like okay, millionaire mentor. Okay, whenever this guy is going to post, this guy's post will get lots and lots of likes and comments. So what you need to do, you just need to do something like, whenever this guy will post, instantly you should be the first one to like and comment on these posts, on this post. Every post of this guy really literally goes to the explore page. So what you can do, whenever you are going to, you will be the first one to like and comment on his post. Okay, then you will certainly start getting lots and lots of followers. Why? Because people like to engage with the people who are active in the community. Okay, what you can do, you can either note the time when they post, or you can turn the post notification on. Okay, and then instantly drop a like and comment, drop a legit comment. Do not just post like awesome, just give a legit comment. Okay, just like yes, when you work 100% or whatever it is, just post legit, just like it is related to the post. Okay, so this is the way of getting lots and lots of followers by engaging in the community. And now the fifth one, which is very powerful, and it's 100% easy. Okay, it's 100% very much easy. Fifth is the kind of Instagram engagement groups, not kind of these engagement groups. Okay, basically when a guy who is having a 10,000 followers likes the post of a guy who is having 100 followers, his post will really start going viral, because the Instagram will see that a high followers account is going to like his post. That means his post is really good. So what we need to do, we are going to create the Instagram group. Just look at this. Okay, let's say you are having 100 followers. Okay, what you can do, just type in your niche or whatever it is. Okay, type your niche, and thereafter you will see whatever your niche is. Just type your niche over here. For example, my niche is the affiliate marketing. Okay, and find some of the guys. Okay, find some of the guys in your niche. Okay, affiliate and marketing. Okay, find some of the guys in your niche who are having followers about 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, and then send them a message like, hello my friend, I really see that you are posting valuable content every single day. Okay, so I really like your content, and I am running an Instagram engagement groups where there are 10 members and each one is having 10,000 followers. So would you like to join the group? he may see that you do not have that many followers, so you are only having 100 followers, but you are telling him that you are having an Instagram group of 10,000 members, 10 members of 10,000 followers each. So absolutely he is going to be ready, because he also want to engage, he also wants to grow his Instagram account. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to send 20 messages, the same messages to the all of the 20 messages, means the same message to the 20 guy. Out of 20, at least 10 are gonna to be ready, and from zero you have created one Instagram group, Instagram engagement group. And now the group is having 10 members, and if everyone is gonna to like your post, all of them are having 10,000 plus followers, then your Instagram account will keep on flying. This is the ultimate tactic. And once you are having about a 5,000 followers, reach out to guys of 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, and this is the ultimate way of growing with zero money. Just message to about 5 people every single hour, but be sure to make some changes in the message, otherwise Instagram is gonna to ban you. Okay, so if you are going to message the 10 times, you have messaged to 50 guys, and at least every day you are having 25 members. So in just 30 days you are having a group of 7,500 members. Look at this, out of 7,500, if only 10% are gonna to like and comment, 750 likes, your post will absolutely start going viral. This is the ultimate tactic of growing on the Instagram. Okay, people are really blowing their account within a month using this tactic. If you cannot pay, you have to work hard, there is no secret for that. Okay, so what you need to do, just to start keep a link of your kind of, if you want an opt-in page, or even if you can put a link of the product you want to promote and all that stuff. Okay, and with these ways you can easily grow your account, Instagram account, from the 0 followers to easily 5 to 10,000 followers in just a single month, and then you can easily make $100 to $200 every single day. And with that time, your Instagram account will keep on blowing, like automatically you will start getting 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers. So you, all of the income will be totally automated. Okay, and if you want to make $100 every single day, do not forget to check out this free training. The link is in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. So I will see you in the next video, and be sure to subscribe for daily money making videos on this channel.